Hey everybody, it's Mac and I'm back with another amazing video. In today's video, guys, I'm going to be reviewing and unboxing my Father's Day gift. My wife bought me this gift thinking that since she bought the bow from a Chinese company in China that it would take like a month to get here. Well, this bow right here came in like 12 days, okay? This is the SiCai. I think that's how you say it. I'm not sure on how to pronounce it. Please forgive me if I pronounced it wrong, but this bow right here is the AF Archery SiCai, and I will put the name and the link to this bow in the description box below. But enough of me chit-chatting and gibbering, let's get on with the actual unboxing. In today's video, I am using an arrow tip to unbox. Guys, you want to be very careful whenever you're unboxing a bow. All right, here we go. Here we go. Boom. Absolutely gorgeous and absolutely lovely packaging right here. This is the bow sleeve that it comes with. All right, throw this box right here to the side. Absolutely amazing. All right, here we go. Oh, wow. All right. It came through the bubble wrap right here. I'm just going to keep pulling it through the bubble wrap to see if I can get it all the way out through. All right. Oh my gosh, it's beautiful. There we go. It's gorgeous. Holy smokes. I believe this bow right here costs $209. My wife bought it for me because I sit there and I love looking at different bows at nighttime. A lot of guys look at other things at nighttime. I like looking at the curves of a bow at nighttime. Oh my gosh, I cannot believe she did this for me. This is absolutely amazing. I got to go in there and kiss and hug her and thank her all up and down. Guys, this is an absolute beauty. One of the things that I love the most about the strings that come from AF Archery is that the strings already come pre-waxed. That means they already put wax on the strings. So that means as soon as you get the bow, you can string it up and start shooting it immediately. Even though I do recommend always putting more wax on the string because you want to have your strings super waxed. So I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to wax this up a little bit more, and then I'm going to string it up and we're going to get to shooting. All right, check out the close-up of this bow right here. I believe this bow right here is only $209. This bow is absolutely beautiful, especially for $209. You see how it's at 0? The arrow pass on this bow is on the handle right here. Then the handle itself this way. And then the handle this way. Oops. And these are 550 grain arrows. And the bow is 40 pounds at 28 inches. All right, this bow right here is made out of bamboo. It's made out of black walnut and bear paw fiberglass. All right, we're gonna start up close a little ways, and then we're gonna let a few of them rip and let's see how she does. First shot's having this bow. All right, here we go. Oh, nice draw. Woo! I mean, bullseye right off the rip. Bullseye right off the rip. Okay, here we go. Oh, it's so easy to draw. And I'm getting a good group. Let's see how number 3 does. First 3 shots with this bow. Oh my gosh, it's just so easy to draw. 3 solid good hits. 3 solid good hits. I'm already loving this bow. Already loving it. This bow right here is supposed to have a 34-inch draw. I'm only drawing it back to about 30 inches in today's video. But I will tell you this right now, I could easily draw back further on this bow. It shoots a lot like the AF Horsebow, I will say that. And that is a very pricey bow. Nice little group down there. All right, let's go take a look at that. 3 solid good hits. First 6 shots with her. I'm absolutely loving this bow. Absolutely love it. I mean, like, this bow right here is only $209. Guys, ladies out there, this is a perfect Father's Day gift. Perfect Father's Day gift. I will tell you that. If you want to get your husband something for Father's Day, get him the SiCai, or however it's supposed to be pronounced. I apologize for butchering that, guys. I speak redneck. Please forgive me. Apologize, I misspoke earlier. These are 31.5 inch arrows. I don't know why I said 30.5. Those are my other arrows. These are 31.5. Oh yeah, this one right here is super easy. Love it, man. I absolutely love this bow. I think this bow right here is going to be my new favorite bow. Let's go back a little bit further. Here we go. Good solid hit. Good solid hit. Moving down there. Try to hit it again while it's moving. There we go. Got 3 good hits. Woo! All right, let's see how she does with a kneeling shot. Good hit. Good hit. Oh, nicked the side of it. That was me. It's not the bow, that one was me. All me. All right, let's do a little bit of turning and shooting. I mean, I love this bow. The reason why I am clicking with this bow so well right now is because this bow right here shoots a lot like the AF Horsebow. It shoots a lot like the Horsebow. I absolutely love that Horsebow. Oh, miss. It was close though. It was super close. Hit. 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 Let's go check her out. I absolutely love this bow. Guys, this bow is becoming my favorite bow. Before, the Horsebow was like my favorite bow, but this bow right here is up there with the Horsebow. I absolutely love that bow. Actually, I'm going to bring that out so we can take a look at both this SiCai and the Horsebow. So you can take a look at both of them. They are both absolutely amazing bows. Absolutely amazing bows. This one right here though is, I'm just absolutely amazed with this little $209 bow. Absolutely amazed. And I mean, like, you can't beat the price on this bow. You just can't beat the price. $209 for a bear paw glass bow that, you know, you can get amazing accuracy with, a shot after shot, and a bow that could last a lifetime. Not to mention a bow that can draw back 34 inches. Absolutely fantastic deal, guys. I am in love with this bow right here. I am in love with this bow. You're going to see a lot of videos with me shooting this bow. Woo! I mean, just like one good group after another. All right, awesome. I'm loving this, man. I'm gonna have so much fun. Like, I almost want to stop recording so I can just go on and just keep having fun. I'm gonna be shooting this bow until it gets dark. All right, still a little bit of running and jumping. There we go. Woo! Hit. All right, guys, I'm gonna try to run and jump a little bit. Woo! Got it! I gotta take time out of this video to sit here and thank my wife for getting me this bow. And guys, she told me to be 100% honest whether I liked it or not. She's like, that would actually mean the most to me if you would just, you know, tell me honestly if you actually like the bow or not. You know, because I hunt with bows, I shoot with bows, I love having fun with bows, and she wanted to make sure that this bow was good, okay? You know, and she wanted my honest opinion on it in this video. And honey, I'm telling you right now, I'm giving you my honest opinion. This SiCai bow is like one of my favorite bows besides my Horsebow. Absolutely love it. Okay, something that I would like to mention in today's video, guys, my thoughts and opinions of this bow is not based on the fact that my wife gave it to me for Father's Day. She asked me to be 100% honest about my thoughts and opinions of this bow, and so I'm being very, very honest in this video, you know, and I have to say she picked out one amazing bow. And ladies, you gotta get this for your husbands, your boyfriends, or your partner for Father's Day, his birthday, or so on and so forth. And the exact opposite, guys, you gotta get this right here for your ladies, you know, whether it be your girlfriend, partner, wife, so on and so forth. This is an amazing bow, you know, or if you don't have anybody, go out there and treat yourself to something good and get this bow. I highly recommend this bow right here. I really, really do. This bow is absolutely amazing. And my opinion is not based upon the fact that it was given to me for a Father's Day gift. I would not put something like that on this channel. I wouldn't put my opinion about a product, especially a bow, on this channel unless it was 100% real and authentic. If you are struggling with either thumb release or Slavic release, then please head on over to my Patreon, because I got over 3 hours worth of content sitting there waiting for you. Or if you would like just to support this channel, then please hop on over to Patreon and please support this channel by becoming a Patreon today. I thank you so much for watching today's video, guys, and I would ask that you guys have a blessed day in Christ. Thank you. Bye now.